Welcome back to my channel. You are watching Rajesh Vlogger. In this video, I am going to share my flying experience and information of entrance of the airport to exit of airport from Bagdogra to Hyderabad via connecting flight in Bangalore. Enjoy throughout the video and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to be notified. Let's get into the topic. First, you have to show your boarding confirmation details and identity card like Aadhaar card, PAN card at main entrance of the airport. After entering to the airport, first we have to go baggage scanning counter. They will scan our checked-in bag and I put a seal and tag. Thereafter, I am standing in the queue AirAsia counter to take boarding pass and checking bag weightage. After receiving boarding pass, we have to keep waiting in waiting hall. Before entering to the waiting hall, CISF security will check our cabin hand baggage and they will scan everything. Thereafter, again there is a queue. They are issuing COVID-19 kit due to coronavirus. In that COVID-19 kit, they issued face mask and face shield, sanitization, etc. AirAsia aircraft arriving to receive departures. So from here onwards you will get aircraft engine sounds. If I mute the sounds, you may not feel excitement of the aircraft. Until I arrive at Bangalore, you will get actual sounds of the aircraft. First, handicapped passengers will board the flight in the aircraft. After that, there will be allowed normal people to the aircraft. Again, here there will be a queue to enter the aircraft. They will check finally they will scan our boarding pass to enter the aircraft. See, I am going to near the aircraft to enter in the cabin. I am going to occupy my seat. I got middle seat number 5B. I am the third person to embark in the flight and I am the last person at the time of disembarkation. Here you can see all the passengers are boarding the flight, and female cabin crews will guide the passengers to occupy their seats, and they will help to the passengers those who cannot put their hand baggage over bulkhead. After everyone settled down in the cabin, pilots, first officer and captain
और सर
ensure
कप्तान
the
संजय
information
हमें
to the
जारीराम इस
rosters
विमान में आपकी
we are
महकीकत
going
बदलूं।
to take off.
ये उड़ान 3:30
Thereafter,
में पूरी
senior
की
cabin
जाएगी।
crew will
आपकी
announce the
सुरक्षा को
flight
ध्यान में
details,
रखते
how
हुए
many
आपसे
hours we
निवेदन है
gonna
कि आप
fly in
अपने
the air.
सामान को ऊपरी सामान कक्ष या सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे रखिए। कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे, कुर्सी सीधी कर ले, टीवी बंद करें और विंडो शीट्स को खोले रखें। विमान के द्वार बंदने पर से पोर्टेबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस को आपके मोबाइल फोन को बंद कीजिए, फ्लैट में रखें। सभी अंतर्देशों में मदिरा का सेवन करना और धूमपान करना निषेध है। सभी शौचालय में धूम्रपान यंत्र लगे हैं। हवाई अड्डा संबंधित शिकायत निवारण आप हमारे नोडल ऑफिसर या एप्पल अथॉरिटी से संपर्क कर सकते हैं, जिनकी जानकारी आपको www.airasia.com पर उपलब्ध है। इसके अलावा आप बेंगलुरु द कमांडर ऑफ द साइट इज कैप्टन मिसाहिर, असिस्टेड बाय फर्स्ट ऑफिसर संजय एन दारीराम, ये सीनियर कैबिन क्रू।
Now aircraft is going to take off within few seconds. Almost 5 to 6 kilometers aircraft will move on the runway with very high altitude speed. Just aircraft enter into the air, first officer and captain will announce the details of aircraft from which places we are gonna fly. Almost 38,000 and above feet aircraft were flown in the air. This flight was flown via Ranchi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kadapa, Chittoor. It's an awesome experience flying in the air, touching the sky with glory. Almost 3.5 hours we flown in the air. In 3.5 hours, two times aircraft was bumping due to bad weather. So from here onwards, you will see the Bangalore view. It's time to landing in at Kempegowda International Airport.
सज्जनों, बेंगलुरु के केम्पेगौड़ा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे पे आपका स्वागत है। की आवश्यकता हो तो कृपया हमारे ग्राउंड स्टाफ से संपर्क करें। एयर एशिया के साथ यात्रा करने के लिए धन्यवाद।
Passengers are disembarking the flight. After deplaning the aircraft, you can see the airport view, Kempegowda International Airport. It's in Bangalore. Almost 4 hours I lay over at Bangalore airport. I have connecting flight at 4 o'clock in the evening. Until that time, as a South Indian people, we cannot sit quiet for a while. So I will show you the duty-free shops at the airport. You can see Bangalore airport is the very biggest airport for domestic and international departures and arrivals. So you can see the view of Bangalore airport. So almost 3 hours I spent my time very well. So it's time to board the flight from Bangalore to Hyderabad. From the airport terminal building to we are going in the bus to board the aircraft. Here you can see all the airlines Vistara, Indigo, SpiceJet and other airline companies like Air India. Again from here onwards everything will be same. Take off the aircraft and announcements of the cabin crews, so announcement of the pilots and captain, first officer serving in the aircraft. Same situation what we have done from Bagdogra to Bangalore airport. So it's time to landing at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad. I'm gonna reach my destination shortly. I hope you have seen complete video. Thanks for watching to everyone. I hope you got little bit idea of flight journey. I shown you everything from entrance of the airport to exit of the airport. Those who are unfamiliar with the flight journey, this video may help for you.
There were such no Hyderabad Kira Chinkati under a Ladies and gentlemen, once again requesting all passengers to kindly remain seated until we announce to disembark, as disembarkation process will be conducted row-wise. Thank you for your cooperation.